This glass oil sprayer just made me throw out every aerosol cooking spray in my kitchen. The Trend Plain sprayer gives me total control with both fine mist and pour options. I went from drowning my salads in oil to using just 0.15 grams per spray. The 16-ounce capacity means I'm not constantly refilling. And the BPA-free glass keeps everything safe and clean. My air fryer meals are perfectly crisp without being greasy. Get your Trend Plain oil sprayer today and upgrade your kitchen game. You're wasting 3x more oil than you need every time you cook. Here's how I fixed it. This Trend Plain oil sprayer controls exactly how much kitchen game. You're wasting 3x more oil than you need every time you cook. Here's how I fixed it. This Trend Plain oil sprayer controls exactly how much oil I use with its precision nozzle. Each spray releases just 0.15 grams. So my cooking is healthier and my oil lasts way longer. The dual function lets me spray for light coating or pour when I need more.